Dough sheeter is mainly used for the pastry production of various breads, cakes, and biscuits. First step, dough needs to be prepared. Place a reversing handle in the middle. Adjust the compression ruler to a specific gap that should be less narrow than the thickness of dough. Operate the reversing handle so that the material passes back and forth through the ruler on both sides of the belt. Put the dough on the belt and then open the switch. Constantly adjust the pressure ruler adjustment handle. Raw material should be as thin as the required thickness. This machine has two types, including tabletop dough sheeter and vertical dough sheeter. Dough processed by this machine can make the bread with the effect of pastry. Ruling capacity ranges from 4 to 6.5 kg. Ruler adjustable clearance ranges from 1 to 40 mm. The belt size is different according to different models. It's also easy to clean and operate.